It's the new year, and it's a great time to start looking at your house inside and out and ways that we can improve it. We're going to refresh, we're going to renew, and we're going to rejuvenate with some of the new brands and products here at City Mill. I'm with Iris. Iris, what do we have today?
We have all kinds of stuff in every category. We have added a bunch of new things. So we'll start here with our Rejuvenate Power Max. This is a great mop and cleaning surface thing with a whole bunch of other things you can use to help clean your house.
All right.
This is brand new for us.
Nice.
The other thing we have is this amazing dripless caulking gun. People forget we are a hardware store, so you need to caulk. And when you need to caulk, you need a dripless caulking gun. And this is one of the newest ones. Really easy to use, really easy on your hands, so you're not, using it all day and hurting your carpal tunnel or something like that.
You know what, I think I have one at home, and that one is like a metal one, so I think at this point, we've had it for years, it's pretty much rusted. This is gonna be a good option for me.
Yeah, and it's a dripless, which means it doesn't drip in the front.
Yeah,
so
get all over the place.
Yeah, get all over the place. We are also new to City Mill is our Diablo saw blades. These are great. These, Diablo is known for their saw blades, and these are industry best.
Perfect for the circular saws. If you need one, they've got it here at City Mill. And then we're going to move on to the inside of the house. We're talking bathroom essentials.
Bathroom essentials. We have a new vendor here called Moda, and we're carrying a bunch of different things for the bathroom and the kitchen. And we have new shower curtains, new things for the bathroom, new things for the kitchen, towel racks and stuff like that. So this is a great vendor that we just brought in also.
Nice. Keeps everything nice and neat, tidy. And that's really how you want to start your new year, is getting everything nice and set up so it'll take you in all the way through 2026.
Yeah, and this is really exciting. It's actually not wallpaper, they're wall decals. So you can stick on them, and they have everything from Lilo and Stitch for your kids' room. So you can decorate. You can decorate your kids' room, you can decorate your kids' dressers, you can do all kinds of things. We have a whiteboard, if you want to be productive in all areas of life. Stick it everywhere you want. And then we have other textures you can put in your room to just accent different points of your room.
Yes, and if you're on a budget, this is probably your best option. So you don't have to do an entire wall of paint.
Yeah.
You don't have to do all the wallpaper. This right here with these decals, you can put them on, you can take them off, you can switch them up as the year goes on, and the kids, if they want to move over to maybe another character. You guys got a lot.
And there's a lot of ideas we have. You can put them on steps, you can put them on the base of the rooms, you can put them by your couches. We have a bunch of different ones you can choose from. These are really great.
Nice. And then what do we have down here?
The last one we have is Monster. Monster makes AV systems, so we have all your equipment you need. We have speakers, we have HD cables. Some of these are really hard to find. Not a lot of people carry them anymore.
Really dive into all the new products that you guys have and these new brands. Go and try them out. You might really, really enjoy them.
And come visit us on citymill.com.
Boom, right there. We're going to have all the details on our website as well, HiNowDaily.com. Come in and shop City Mill. Aloha.